Hi everyone, Sat here. So I want to do a follow-up on the last video. As you can see, I've managed to get the ARCore working on vertical surfaces. You can see that it's working on this kind of textured plant pot at the office that I work in at Croydon. So yeah, it works on ceilings and stuff. It definitely does work. It only works on certain vertical surfaces, but it does seem to be that they have to be textured in some kind of way. Although I'm not exactly sure how that works. I mean, if it gets a point cloud, it works. If it can track some sort of point cloud, it works. But you don't actually get to see the tracking grid. So something to be aware of when you give it a go. So this was a follow-up on the last video that I did, and your comments really helped me work this out. So thanks again to everyone who commented, and especially to Milad who actually made a video as well showing how it works in his room, and he's even got the vertical tracking working on chairs and the side of tables, which is really interesting because neither of those are textured. So it's using the point cloud. I can't quite work out exactly how it's working, but it is working. Which actually brings me on to another point. It's really great getting to see what you guys are doing with my tutorials that I'm making. I would love to see what you're doing, and if you ever want to show me, I would love to see that. And maybe if it's interesting, I could even put a link of it on my channel and make a little video out of it. Whatever it is, even if it's a little side project or a little test project or a university project or work project, if it's based off of my tutorials, let me know, and I'll share it with everyone else.